Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Sa Shisian ka Shillong Cage Fighting Champion. Kan penlong i Ïakhun first fight night. Ïakhun ka Shillong Cage Fighting Champion. An penlong haka arpu pratarik ujelio arja arpesan. Hilarity Multipurpose Theatre Maukasyang Shillong. Hakabai ka Ïakhun anwan bani shimenta da kirang Ïakura nakalengkari. Bat kirang Ïakura nagajala. Nakalyang uba Isaya Karmau Plang. Habakran makinong thokubor ha Shillong Press Club. Uliat hu bahkan ka Shillong Cage Fighting Champion. Andan khat artali ki Ïakhun persya ki khat arngut ki rang Ïakura na gajala ulong ru ba ki rang Ïakura na gajala man kapor ki ha banlet ki gajala ban Ïakhun ha ka national level manda ka Shillong Cage Fighting Champion ka persyang banthau ki lat ki linti banwanra ki rang yelekai hanong ba Shillong shushu uba Isaya Karmau Plang ulet hu uba ka Shillong Cage Fighting Champion ujani nongrum undei uwei na ki rang Ïakura ubani shimta nakaliang ujas Singh ulihat hu bahkan ngasngi andan kidukan bar kijakabam bar kumjuru kaput katam.
We are very, very happy to share the news that the Shillong Cage Fighting will be starting up again. We had it once, and this time we are back, hopefully for good. When we had the first edition, we had made a promise to ourselves rather than to anyone else that we would carry on, and this press conference here today is us trying to deliver on that promise. Before we open to questions, I'll just introduce everybody here. We have Ruben Reed, who has been handling events for over a decade, and he also runs a restaurant. This here is Isaiah Karmoplang. He's basically one of the first people involved in the sport of mixed martial arts in Meghalaya. He's practically a godfather of MMA here, and he too has been doing it for over a decade. This is Jasbir here, who moved here from the UK about, I think roughly 2 years ago, where he was involved in his own businesses, and he's been helping build sports leagues in the UK. So welcome everyone once again, and we can start fielding your questions, please. Thank you.
As mentioned, the event is taking place on 28th of June in Larikti Auditorium in Mokasia, and we're very excited to host the fighters from both Meghalaya and rest of India. The enthusiasm of people from Meghalaya and Northeast for MMA has been unparalleled across India, and we expect to have a full house there. We are trying to keep the tickets affordable, and they'll start from the range of 1195 rupees and go up to something in the region of 3000 rupees per seat. The auditorium also is a world-class architectural auditorium which promises amazing quality of view. The elevation, the angle doesn't actually compromise the view and the experience. We plan to bring in reasonable amount of entertainment with both light, sounds and music. We also plan to have some food stalls, local food stalls again, to ensure that the whole fight night is something which everybody who attends is able to enjoy and remember. And again, we want to reiterate that this is not a one-off event. What we are working out here is to build a self-sustainable league. We believe Meghalaya, especially Shillong, and has all possible ingredients to be the go-to place for MMA fighting. You've seen people going to Thailand, having their fights regularly, training regularly. We've got a reasonable number of gyms out here. The coaches like Ruben, Isaiah, and few more who are doing MMA training in a very methodical manner, which enables the fighters to be at competitive edge with everybody else across India and world. So we want to build a self-sustainable league wherein we'll have at least 4 big fight nights like this every year. And around that we'll build smaller grassroots leagues which enable the fighters to qualify to come and fight in these championships going forward.
Larity Indoor Sports Indoor Multi-Purpose Stadium. Kani ka event kingdom kumba kharartli ki fights kiba de ki nong yele kai ki jongka Jylla jongka meglaya but kin yele persha ki pan kiwi ki Jylla jongka ri jungi ki wanadu Delhi Uttarakhand Mumbai Bangalore kini ki nong yele kai ki wan kiwi ki Jylla but baro ki ban ka notice ka main event jong ni ka fight kan day happening I journey nongrum babaro kila itu I tau rang yele kai bala pau ha ga Jylla ga jong unyale persha ya u Anurag Singh u badai u rang yele kai bala pau ko ga ri bro ko wei u bala represent ya India Hakawan championship MMA ru bag la de ru bala job bun sin ya ka national championship te gani ka jingale kai nganget kanlong ko internet ha namar ba minta kanlong ba internet ha ba kinya yo ba ne pe ba mo te ka jaga ju rapor kani ka Shillong Cage Fighting Championship juni akwa ban ai kublei khamtam ya I chief minister bala ai ka jingkular ban ai jingyaram ya kani tak bangi dang ya sedang mentah Andai ka jimut jemi tagadi ban temlong bakan yahi kanlong self sustaining kani ka you kamu ngin penmi hi dalade ya ka finance baron kam penya ya kani namar kam de ka ba bas ka ba duna kan man ka jinglut jingsap ka babon ha namar ba ngiap wanra iki fighters nabar ni happy ya ka le kawan joki kapam kasa ba kunjuru ban siu ki ya ka fees biki ale kai te haju apor na kentu ya boro kiba wan pe kai bikin suha ban ya kershan ni gini ginong le kai nama ba mindon kam ban ni sabar la pe kum kani na pe boro ki ba ki stana ban pe ya UFC ri mentai ki local jangi ni yo ban pe kum kani kala ban yo ban kershan ni ki te hakoto ka janme kin yo kapam ko biang kin yo ki snacks ki beverage ki biang te ba kumjo ka entertainment lengba ki fights mo te ki yo ban pendut por ta kumba lai kan tai ka event kan ya kani ka fight lengba ka ban long happening I Johnny Nongrum ban u Anurag Singh kani ka fight le se kala ban long ka fight ka ba khaddu jongi Johnny te namar ila Ïakhun hi bat ngi menchuaru ba hadian kani ngatharai in wa no ki gloves jumi namar ila ya khun menta la don la jan a khusna mi ma te ngakarpa ke baro hi ki supporters mabhama ninyawan ban pe khamtam I tangba nolor kata kidon ki fighters ki la paw ba don kumi darin kharsan di ti la paw ba na ka state jumi adin kidon ki wek ki fights ru ki ba kin sa itu antur ya ka jiktbet jukini kinong le kai le se gani ga platform ba ki supporters kin yo ba itu no ki nong le kai MMA jong state te hadin ba kila astang itu ya ki kin yo ru ban support no ya ki te bikin le tang bikin le kai ha ka national bikin poison nan chalo ke international level
Nalon jo
hoi Hagani ka Shillong Cage Fighting Championship ka banlong ha ka arko pratari kiban Ïakhun kindan khat artli gi fights haba khat armun ki nongyale kai jongi na ka Jylla meglaya kinyale persha ya ki nongyale kai ki bawan ne kiwi gi Jylla jongkari jongi ani ka singi sajan ka banwan ngin sa release ya ka website ka ba kila ban order online gi tickets tickets kila shongdor kumta kumba 1000 khandai spa khandai phokndai hadu lai 1000 tangka tega jaka shong ha lariti kalong ba finda shong ha kanu ga benta jong ka ka stadium ru phini shai kadar be jaka jingale kai nongele kai bla pa ha ka Jylla jogi namar bla le kai hadu ka international level mo and Anthony CM part nung yo ban le kai ha kani ka event namar ka contract jung ka rangya ba ka to ka promotion ka ba shabar Jylla ti kinum pat palaj yo Messi ngin say I how news number 1 lada kila pala yu na contract ngin kemen shisha lada ngiyo ban I pa yu Anthony CM bale kai ga Jylla jun Andre yu Anthony CM ula le kai min chwa ka first edition jong ka Shillong Cage Fighting Championship ni le hang tu la ju le kai